Okay, once your agent is created, you'll see it in this list. So under knowledge base, you have it right here. Now we need to go ahead and build the front end, which is that widget you saw on the website. How do you do that? You go over here to sites and then up here on the right, chat widget, and then click new. And it's this one over here on the right. And it says, let website visitors talk to an AI agent that listens, speaks, and handles conversations for you 24/7, no human needed. Perfect. Click on that. And some of you may not have this feature, but you can enable it. If you're not the agency owner, talk to your agency. But if you are the agency owner, let me show you where to go. Go up to the agency view and then bottom left, go to settings. And then all the way at the bottom, click on labs. Labs are high levels way of sharing beta versions of features with you. So that way you can test them ahead of time. And sometimes you can enable them. Otherwise, you'll just have to wait until they're released. So for example, right here, it says live in 65 days, but you can go ahead and activate now. I like to come in here and beta test all of them, so I try to turn on everything. This is my test account, so chances are, if it breaks something, doesn't really matter. But you have two options. The agency view is for everything under the agency. But if you want to approve things specifically for sub-accounts, click on sub-account and then pick the features there. I like to periodically just come in here and enable everything, so I have all of them. So what you want to do is search for voice, and then go ahead and enable voice support and conversation AI, and then enable all the other ones too, just if you're testing. Now back to the chatbot. That was under the sub account, and then sites, and then chat widget, and then click new, and now you should have voice AI. Go ahead and click that this time, and now you're inside the chat widget creation area, and then over here on the top left, you should see agent. This is the new feature that you just enabled. So click on agent, and what you want to do is check the knowledge base or check the agent you just created. If you don't have one, hit create new agent. But keep in mind, the voice AI calls cannot be recorded. So anybody communicating with your website directly through voice is not a recorded call. You won't be able to go back and summarize it or extract data from the transcript. But it is going to be able to collect information like first name, last name, address, all of the typical data in order to generate an appointment. And now the rest of it is you customizing it. So you can change things like the prompt. You can change what that icon would look like, the different themes you might have, what greeting do you want, the welcome message, where do you want it located on your screen. So over here it says talk to us, for example, you might want to say, have any questions? You can enable a contact form as well, where they can just fill it out when they're chatting. So you collect their information before they even begin the chat. Under style, you can change the image as well. You can have an image of yourself, or you can upload your own. Maybe you want to upload your logo, for example, and now it turns into that. And this is really just designing the widget itself on how it looks on your website. Once you're done designing it the way it looks, now you come up here on the top right, get code. And then this is the code that you're going to embed into your website in order to make this chatbot appear to anybody that lands on your website. So click on copy and then go back to your sub account, click on sites and then pick websites, find the website you want to edit, go ahead and hit edit, and then hit the plus button on the top left and then search for code and then grab this square and then drop it wherever you want this chatbot to appear. So I want it right here as sort of a really cool feature that somebody's going to be very impressed. Click on open code editor and then paste that same code you got earlier and hit save. And now when you preview on the top right, this I button, you're going to see the call us here feature. And anybody that lands on your website clicks on this. This works on mobile, tablet, desktop. They're going to instantly be able to communicate with website. This is definitely the future, and any business that's not implementing this is just going to fall behind. If you want to try your hand at doing this yourself instead of just watching, you can use my high-level affiliate link in the description below. If you use that, you get an extended 30-day high-level trial, hundreds of pre-built AI agents, access to my school community, 40+ business and marketing courses that I've built. You'll have all of my website template that you've seen me create. I'll even hop on a live Zoom call with you twice a week to help guide you and build your business with you. You'll have a direct line to me and also a chance to join my agency and run some of these businesses that I have, as well as take on my client. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.